I'm going to give a uneven basket weave a try. So this is spaced at 1 inch on the left and the width of the yardstick on the right, which is about 1 3/4 inches. We'll see if this works. 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes, spun out until it's just damp, and it is flipped inside out since it's being ice dyed. Okay, let's see. Okay, the first one wasn't horrible. It's probably much easier with a thin piece of wood or something. And doing the rest of this down here is going to be convoluted since I already did it. My brain like shuts down on what's supposed to be done. So I have to pull this whole thing up. Okay. Okay, it's not what I was expecting. I think I'm just going to go in and accordion at an angle. Okay. Do I basket weave this? If I basket weave this, I'm going to have a problem. It's going to end up turning into a glitch because I have to fold it somehow. If I just accordion fold this, I think I'll be better off. Maybe I can just fold this eyeball. Oop, that's where it's going to become a pain. Let's use this. It's not catching on that. That's not catching. This. Yeah. Just when you finish this. I had to take a break. Okay, I've marked every 1.5 inches across the top. And I'm going to go ahead and tie this up. I'm going to start a few from the end just so that it's easier. to die. This is on an incline, and we're going to be using Alchemist, Raspberry, and Wedgwood Blue, and these are all from Dharma. The Alchemist is going to be here, nothing is going to be there, and then we'll alternate back down for the rest of it, and then drop the dye on. Alright, we'll let that melt through. I've reduced the angle, it's pretty shallow now. I'm going to add some soda ash, ice, and then just sprinkle some Alchemist over the top of it, just to fill in some of these spaces that don't have any dye. Okay, we'll let it sit melt through, and that should be it for this until the washout. It's been, 36 to 48 hours since it was last dyed, so let's go ahead and rinse this out. Okay. Well, it has some interesting patterns to it. Alright, I'll go wash this out and then we'll take a final look. Alright. Front. Back. What's interesting are these hexagonal shapes. They're in a few different places. And like all of that, it's different. It's there too. And here. And here. And here. It's like a crystal structure inside the rest of the pattern. Honestly, I think I like this. I would say it's a glitch, but it's not really a glitch. Is it? Do you think it's a glitch? I mean, it's random, but it's not like a scrunch because there's patterns to the randomness. It's weird. I like it. Let's see, what is it? It's an extra large. If I don't decide to keep it, I will post it out on Etsy so it'll be available for someone else. I don't know. I might keep this one. I'm torn. Any thoughts, opinions, ideas for future? Let me know down below. And until next time, thanks for watching.